Hello, good morning, my dear students. This is Thiri sir, your English teacher. So, welcome to the online classes of Sri Ignath Rao Khadse Talent English School, Muktayanagar. So, dear students, today we are going to discuss grammar part, third chapter from Learn Well textbook, English grammar. Okay. So, dear students, today's topic is adjective. We have discussed already some two lessons before. What we learn from this, first one is nouns and pronouns. Then after you have used adjective, isn't it? Articles. So today we are going to use, today we are going to discuss adjective. So first we have read noun, then after we have read pronoun. So what is a noun? All the names of the persons, place, things are called noun. And what is pronoun? The word which is used in place of the noun or instead of the noun, that is called pronoun. So today we are going to use the adjective. The word which is used to describe or to explain about a noun or a pronoun is known as adjective. Generally, adjective will come before the noun. Okay. So write down first definition. I am writing. You write down first. The word which used before the noun or pronoun to describe about them is called adjective. So the students, adjective is nothing but it is the describing word. It is the describing word of a noun or a pronoun, that is called adjective. And the adjective, just you have to keep in your mind that adjective always will come before the noun or pronoun. Is known as adjective. So you can write example something. Example. Anything you can write it. This book is mine. This book is mine. So here this is a adjective. Why? Because book is a noun. Next you can write she is a good girl. So here good, though it is a noun before what came, that is called adjective. So in this way you can identify the adjective in the sentences. So I hope you understand. So now we are going to discuss the types of adjective. So first of all write this definition, then it will be easy for you. Right. Okay, over. Good. Now we are going to discuss the types of adjective. There are many types of adjective are there. Among them you are going to use very important adjective. First one is demonstrative adjective. Second one is interrogative adjective. Interrogative adjective. In this book, how many adjectives given? Just I am going to explain to you. Third one is exclamatory adjective. Exclamatory adjective. Fourth one is possessive adjective. Possessive adjective. Next, possessive also adjective different है, different positions are present. So in this lessons that's it. So in this lesson only it is given for a demonstrative adjective, interrogative adjective and exclamatory adjective and possessive adjective. So these are the main point it has given in this textbook, which is you have to learn very properly. So first we are going to discuss the demonstrative adjective. Okay, what is demonstrative adjective? Demonstrative is nothing but it is indicate or shows. Demonstration, the word which demonstrate or shows something, that is called demonstrative adjective. Write the definition first of all. The definition is the word which used this adjective points out the adjective which demonstrate or point out, demonstrate or point out to persons or things is called demonstrative adjective. Got it? This is called demonstrative adjective. Example: this, that, these, those. So I can use it: this boy, that boy, this girl, these mangoes, those tomatoes, those potatoes. So these word and noun, which commonly is known as demonstrative adjective, means it is demonstrate or shows. If you want to make a question which, if you want to make a question which you can get the demonstrative adjective. Okay, what question? Demonstrative adjective answer the question for which. Next we are going to discuss, and you know very well this that generally used for singular and these those generally used for plurals. So keep in mind, write down this, then after you go for another adjective. Okay, right, good. Now we are going to discuss the another topic, that is interrogative adjective. Interrogative adjective. So this is called interrogative adjective. What is meant by interrogative adjective? Interrogative adjective which make a questions. These adjectives are used these adjectives are used with noun. The adjective are used with noun to ask questions, to ask questions, just like example, what, which, who is. These are example. You can write, whose book is this? Whose book, sorry, whose book is this? So here whose is the noun adjective. So here who, whose, what, these are coming before the noun. At that place we can use that is a adjective. So first things we have to keep in mind, all the types of adjective generally comes before the noun. So whenever we are going to search adjective, we have to think that the adjective, the word after, whether the noun is present or not. If the noun is present, not present, so we can't say that is an adjective. Keep in mind. Now we are going to discuss the second thing, next adjective, that is exclamatory adjective. Generally exclamatory adjective and interrogative adjective sound little bit same, I think. Okay, write down. Good. EX sorry, exclamatory adjective. Generally exclamatory adjective, what is? It is used to express sudden emotion. It is used to express sudden emotion, sudden emotion as happiness, or surprise. Happiness or surprise or a pain, etc. Or you can say, what an idea. Just like see example, what an idea. So this is next, what a blessing. What a blessing. So exclamation mark you know very well, just came one dot, this is called exclamation mark. So each sentence we can use it. Next, so write down this. Good. Did you understand? Exclamatory sentence are adjective which create sudden emotion, just like surprise, happiness, sadness, pain. So these are known as. Okay, right? Now you are going to discuss the another chapter. Another point that is called possessive adjective. Possessive adjective. Possessive adjective generally it shows something ownership or something own. Write down. It express something own or ownership. Just like example you can write here, example mine, your, her, its, are, their, etc. Are the used attributable before a noun. So these all are generally we are using before the noun, that is called possessive adjective. These are generally possess something, means it creates, shows something ownership, that is called. So in this way, so these things we are using in two ways, one is adjective and one is pronoun, right? So first we are going to understand as adjective. Okay, so if I say this is my book, so here my is a adjective. So combinedly both of you understand. If I want to change this word into pronoun, so how you use this is not like that, totally you have to change it. How? Just can say this book is mine. Understand? So when using as a pronoun and as a adjective, the word will change. The word will change. So, but when making into an adjective, we have to use the right. This is my book. That is your pen. Those are their properties, and this means his, my, our, yours. So these all are coming under the adjective. Suppose when you're changing into pronoun, that is called my, will be, just I will write something. You write this, good. Clear, you can understand. This is adjective, this is pronoun, right? So here adjective my changing into mine. Got it? Next, are changing into ours. Next, your changing into yours. Next, his changing into him. No, he is changing into his. Next, her changing into hers. Next, their changing into theirs. So first of all, you have to keep in your mind adjective in this way you have to use, and pronoun in this way you have to use. So this is and everything you have to keep in your mind properly. That can help to you a lot in future. Got it? Understand? That's good. Now you are going to discuss the other things. Okay, so the student, this lesson already completed. I hope you understand this lesson properly, and if you have any doubt, definitely you may ask to me. Each and everything once I will repeat and I will explain to you properly. And watch the videos, keep smile, and till then watch my next videos. Okay, thank you, bye bye.